One of the things I like to do after an oil change is to cut open the oil filter and just see what's in there. I don't have a proper oil filter cutter. It's like a large can opener. So I use some 10 shears, which does in fact permit some exterior schmutz to get inside, but I think I can tell the difference between paint flakes and bearing material if there were something going wrong inside the engine. Oh, and that's your part number for the Subaru Sambar Dias Classic. This is the Subaru Sambar oil filter cut off. I don't have the right tool, so that's what I use. But things like that speck right there, that definitely came from the cutting process. Otherwise, it would be covered in oil and shoved further into the pleats of this oil filter. Now, the color is terrible, which is what I expected. Also, the amount of carbon, I don't know if you can see those trunks all that well, but that is carbon that has been flushed out of the engine and into the oil filter. I did run a motor flush through this while I had the engine out, and it looks like it was very effective at getting old carbon out. So I'm going to take my scissors or my 10 snips. I'm going to cut the pleats open, but for sure there's a lot of carbon particles that have been collected. Okay, I got the metal caps off, and I have the filter cut open. Again, the amount of carbon and sludge this has collected is maybe not surprising, but maybe a little. Quite a lot. That engine flush clearly did a lot. The way the oil filter works is the oil goes in through these side ports, through the filter, and then I believe comes out the center. I may have that backwards. Yeah, I may have that backwards. Don't take my word on that. Anyway, I'm going to peel out these pleats and get you another video. But yeah, they're gummy as anything else I've ever seen. So gross. Yeah, that's pretty nasty. That's a lot of sludge. So I'm going to get my light to stand up, please. It'll work. But that is... yeah, there's a lot of sludge. Not sure, but I don't think we're finding any metal particles. I think this is just all carbon that I flushed loose with that engine flush product. This is what I used. Just cheapo stuff from my local AutoZone.